I'm Spencer.
What up, Manny?
Right now the cell is growing. That's during interphase. And now that the cell has grown, it is going to be making lots of proteins so it can survive. So this is the DNA, and now it's going to be unwinding so that DNA can be matched up with the bases that go together. Because you need 2 copies of DNA to make 2 different cells. So now each cell has its own copy. This is a fragment of DNA, and now it is going to split apart and unwind so that the RNA can come down and copy it because it needs to make proteins. So now it's the RNA is traveling off to the ribosomes over there. And now the DNA just zips back up. And all the organelles need to be replicated in anticipation of the new cell.
Well, marshmallow is a fragment of the DNA, and if you compared it to something,
A Twizzler.
a Twizzler, it'd be a dot.
It would be about this big on the Twizzler if that was a full length of DNA.
In early prophase, replicated chromosomes coil up into X-shaped and become visible under a light microscope. The nucleus disappears and the nuclear membrane begins to break down. The spindle fibers begin to form and stretch across from centrioles, which have migrated to the poles of the cell. In late prophase, the chromatones attach to the spindle fibers at the centromeres. And the nuclear membrane disappears. In metaphase, the spindle fibers begin to pull the chromosomes into a line at the equator of the cell.
Action.
So the spindle fibers shorten and pull the sisters' chromatids apart. And the sisters now are considered chromosomes.
Now in telophase, one complete set of chromosomes is at the end of each cell. The spindle fibers begin to disappear, and the nuclear membrane begins to form around the chromosome. The result is that there's 2 nuclei in one cell, so the cell is ready to divide.
Go.
In cytokinesis, the 2 cells separate from each other, and now they're exactly identical because they have the same parts with the same chromosomes and whatnot. And the cell membrane pitches together and whoop, it's gone. Any questions or comments?
Is it recording?
No.
Oh. Hey guys, Manveer here, science project.
Hey guys, Spencer, science project.
Say
I
hi.
need another Twizzler.
Okay.
I would just like to say... Am I on?
Yeah.
I would just like to say I'm glad you guys are doing a candy version of DNA. Twizzler is a beautiful, beautiful thing. A Twizzler. All right. Oh shit.
So DNA. This is our RNA.
Awesome. You'll be done.